Welcome to PixaFOTO.com Media. Presenting new, ultimate, Aurora HDR, landscape, and nature looks. Those dull looking outdoor images can now become a thing of the past, thanks to this new set of landscape and nature Aurora HDR looks. To deliver the ultimate quality, all our filters are based on sophisticated research and hard practice. That's why our presets inspire thousands of photographers around the world. Adjusting to the right tone, light, and mood is a tedious editing process. With our presets, we take the guesswork out to give you back your most valuable asset, your time. These filters are designed with a touch of perfection in mind. They're perfect for creating distinctive pictures that will stand the test of time. This fantastic collection is ideal for bringing the very best of your outdoor photographs. Finally, it is time to enjoy breathtaking sunsets and outdoor images enhanced with incredible HDR effects. Do you feel like your images look way too muted and blend? These fantastic Aurora HDR presets are exactly what you need. Do not miss the chance to get new exclusive Aurora HDR Wilderness Collection.